In this video, I'm going to show you 9 side hustles that are not online that could change your financial life forever. And for those of you that are not familiar with what a side hustle is, it's a job or a business that you can do in addition to your main job, and it can be something that you do on just the side or on your spare time. It can be just a way you're looking to make extra money other than from your full-time job. A lot of people start side hustles because they want to make more money, but they don't want to quit their day job. I have been side hustling my whole life, and I am now at a point to where my side hustles are making me about 3 times more than my regular job. So I know a thing or two about them. And if you're new to this channel, my name's Josh. This channel is all about saving and making money. So be sure to subscribe, ring that bell so you get a notification every time I release a new video, and hammer that like button for me. That's all I ask in return for making this video. Handyman or handy woman. There are a lot of reasons to start a handyman side hustle. Maybe you're tired of your day job and you just want more control of your life like I previously mentioned, or maybe you just want to make extra money with the skills you already have learning to DIY. Whatever the reason is, starting a handyman business is a great way to get your foot in the door for entrepreneurship. And the best part is you don't need a lot of money or experience to get started in the handyman business. You'll just need a few basic tools and supplies like a drill, a screwdriver set, a toolbox, etc. You might also want to invest in something like marketing tools such as business cards and websites. Typically, being a handyman, you can do it indoors or outdoors, which is a great benefit because you can do this year-round, unlike some of the other side hustles I'm about to mention. According to payscale.com, the average hourly rate for a handyman is about $24.39 an hour. Lawn care service. Lawn care is a great service to get into as a side hustle because it's relatively easy to get started and there are lots of potential for growth. In most cases, all you need to start a lawn care business is a mower, weed eater, and some basic tools. The great thing about mowing grass with a lawnmower or using a weed eater is that you probably already have these tools for maintaining your own yard. And when it comes to skill level, you can learn how to do lawn care on your own. Most people learn the skills by becoming a homeowner first and then maintaining their own yard. But if you do this as a side hustle, you may want to buy or rent a trailer so you can haul around your mower. As your business grows, you might want to invest in some additional equipment like a leaf blower or edger. You can also hire some employees to help you get the work done. According to HomeAdvisor.com, the average lawn care cost is $48 up to $207 per yard. Shoveling snow off driveways and walkways. Shoveling snow can be a great side hustle for people that are living in colder climates. Not only is it relatively easy to get started, but there's a lot of potential for growth here as well. In most cases, all you need to do is start by buying a shovel and you have all the tools you're going to need for shoveling snow. And you may want to consider a lawn care side hustle as previously mentioned, because if the snow removal is only in the wintertime, you can do that in the wintertime. Then in the summertime and spring, you can do the lawn care business. So you can stay busy year round. And as your business grows, you may want to invest in some additional equipment like a snowblower or a plow. You can also hire some employees here as well if you're looking to grow the side hustle into a business. And according to HomeAdvisor.com, the average cost of snow removal is $49 up to $179 per job. Cleaning gutters. Cleaning gutters is a great side hustle for people who are handy and don't mind getting a little dirty. In most cases, all you need to start a gutter cleaning business is a ladder and some basic tools. And as your business grows, you may want to invest in some additional equipment like a power washer or gutter guard installation tools. You can typically find a great starter pressure washer for below $500. I know Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, they all sell them. According to Forbes.com, the average cost to clean a gutter is anywhere from $70 to $100 per single story house and anywhere from $95 to $225 for a 2-story house. Power washing houses. Power washing houses is a great side hustle for people who are handy and don't mind getting a little wet and dirty. In most cases, all you need to start power washing houses is a pressure washer and some basic tools and supplies. As your business grows, you might want to invest in some additional equipment like a power washer attachment that can reach 2nd-story windows. The great thing about the business is that you are not limited to just houses per se. You may also want to do driveways and sidewalks, and some customers will even request to have you pressure wash their vehicles. According to HomeAdvisor.com, the average cost to pressure wash a house is anywhere from $192 to $405. Drive for Uber or Lyft. If you're looking for a side hustle, driving for Uber or Lyft is a great option. You can work as many hours as you want, and you can choose the areas in which you want to work. Plus, there is no need to purchase any special equipment. All you need is your smartphone and your car. And if you're looking to become an Uber or Lyft driver, there are a few things that you should know. First, you'll need to have a clean driving record and a valid driver's license. You'll also need to be at least 21 years of age. Finally, you need to pass a background check. Once you've met all of the requirements, you can sign up to drive for Uber or Lyft. Once you're approved, you'll be able to download the app and start picking up passengers. It's that easy. So if you're looking for a flexible side hustle, driving for Uber or Lyft is a great option. According to USAtoday.com, Lyft drivers average about $24 an hour, and according to MarketWatch.com, Uber drivers average about the same. Garage sale flipping. Most people know about flipping houses as a side hustle, but did you know that you can also flip garage sales? Just like houses, there are certain items that you need to look for in order to make a profit. Here are some basics. 1. Look for garage sales that are well organized and have good merchandise. The more organized the sale, the better chance you'll have in finding profitable items. Also, be sure to check to what kind of items are being sold. If it's all junk, there's not much point in flipping the sale. 2. Scout out prices ahead of time. This will help you determine which items are worth buying and reselling. It's also a good idea to compare prices online before making any purchases at a garage sale. 3. Pay attention to trends. Keep an eye out for hot items that are selling well right now and stock up on those when you find them at garage sales. You can also sell them for a higher price on eBay or Craigslist. 4. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Many people are willing to negotiate prices, especially if you're buying multiple items. 5. Be prepared to haggle. If you're not comfortable with negotiating, then garage sale flipping is probably not for you. And remember, the goal is to buy low and sell high. So you need to be willing to haggle in order to get the best deal. With all these tips in mind, you're ready to start flipping garage sales. Keep your eyes peeled for good deals, and remember to compare prices before you buy anything. With a little bit of effort, you can easily make a profit by flipping garage sales. And as far as how much it pays, it depends solely on your skill level as a flipper. I've heard of some instances where people make well over 6 figures a year doing this. And if you're just looking for a side income, this is a great option. House cleaning. House cleaning is a great side hustle because it's in high demand. It's relatively easy to start your own business, and there is no special skills required. House cleaning is a great way to make extra money because it's always in demand. There are many people who need their houses cleaned, and you can easily start your own business doing so by advertising your services online and through word of mouth. There is no special skill required, so anyone can do it. And if you're looking for a flexible side hustle that you can do on your own schedule, house cleaning is a great option. You can work as little as you want or as much as you want, and you can make a pretty decent income if you build up your clientele. Plus, it's a great way to meet new people and see different houses. If you're thinking about starting a house cleaning business, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. First, you need to be organized and have a good attention to detail. Second, you need to be reliable and show up on time for your appointments. And finally, you need to be friendly and professional with your clients. And you can do all these things and you can be successful at cleaning houses. According to HomeAdvisor.com, the average cost to clean a house is anywhere from $50 to $90 an hour. Tree planting. Tree planting, also known as reforestation, is something that I did when I was a teenager. A local forester that I knew had relationships with landowners that just had their property timbered, which were clear cut, and all that was left on the property was tree limbs and random tree stumps. The forester is how I found the jobs. The landowner would pay me per tree to plant pine seedlings back on the property. And at the time, I was getting paid 15 cents per tree. Nowadays it pays about 25 cents per tree, and I would plant usually anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 trees a day, which would make me about $300 to $450 per day. And that was a lot of money for me as a kid. The only drawback was it was seasonal, and tree planting was only done in the spring months from March to about the end of May. So I would continue the tree planting every spring until I finished college. Tree planting is a great side hustle because it can be done on your own schedule and it does not require a lot of startup capital. If you are interested in passive income ideas, check out this video. It'll help you out.